The essay Spoken English and Broken English written by George Bernard Shaw. This is an extract from Spoken English and Broken English which was in fact spoken in 1927 by George Bernard Shaw at a gramophone recording for the Lingophone Institute. The piece is noted for its typical saving wit. It discusses at length with apt examples how English is spoken and in different ways by different native speakers and also by the same speaker. The essay ends with some practical advice to foreign users of English. The style is simple but it is sparkling with rhetoric. The ideas are original and thought-provoking. He explains the different situations in which the language is spoken. Here the writer cites the fact that no two English persons speak exactly alike. The native people do not think of the rules about grammar. They do not insist upon a particular pronunciation. Even learned people the same word differently. If anybody from outside speak with rules and regulations, some of the native cannot follow it. They do not want rhetoric. There are people who like the foreigner with his foreign accent. All these important things have to be remembered. The precautions should be there according to the need of the hour. The foreigner should speak broken English but not the language with rules and regulations. The essay on the rule of the road written by A.G. Gardiner is a short but interesting discussion on liberty. The writer succeeds in convincing the reader that rights and responsibilities go together. Understanding this fact and following it makes life sweeter and failure to do so makes it bitter. The essayist presents his observations and thoughts on what liberty in reality is. He defines the distinction between individual liberty and social responsibility. He says that liberty is not a personal affair but the accommodation and tolerance of the interest of others. Personal liberty has to be sacrificed for the security and safety of society. The essay begins with the incident of a stout lady walking down the middle of a street instead of using the pavement. When pointed out, the lady says that she has every liberty to walk where she likes. Taking this small incident, A.G. Gardiner emphasizes the importance of rules for a safe and peaceful life. He points out that accidents and deaths would become more frequent and common if we do not follow the rules of the road. It is the social order that restricts the individual liberty. Freedom without responsibility leads to anarchy. Our liberty should not cause inconvenience to others. A traffic policeman should not be considered a nuisance. His services are necessary for the safety and security of civilians on the road.